All right, Grok 4.6 results are out on our superconductor benchmark. We ran it through two different harnesses, the Grok harness, we got these results here, and the cursor harness, we got these results here. And either way you cut it, it's a step up from 4.5, and it definitely joins kind of the pantheon of the best models on our benchmark, which is like Opus 5, Kimi K3, Grok 4.6, Fable 5, Opus 4.8, and this is another 4.5 here. So Grok 4.5 is up there. It's potentially on the Pareto frontier. A lot of the Pareto frontier is dominated by GPT 5.6 models because they're really fast and cheap, but they just have not pushed above a certain level on our benchmark, which is a Ruby on Rails code base. And you can build your own benchmark on your own code base, and I'll tell you how. So this is looking at time, by the way. We can also look at cost. Zoom in a little bit here. And we can see the Grok harness doesn't report cost, so we only see the costs for the cursor harness, but they look pretty good, and I think it would be even cheaper on the Grok harness if they let you pay API rates instead of just monthly plan. So what is this benchmark? So it's the Superconductor custom SWE-Bench, which you can build for your code base. And we built it for our code base, which is a Ruby on Rails plus some other stuff code base. And the way this works is you pick a few pull requests that you think are good examples of code quality, test coverage, feature completeness from one or more of your repos. You import them into a Superconductor project that you set up. Then we run coding agents to figure out or find the original spec for that pull request, give that spec to all the agents that you want to benchmark, which for us is a bunch, but for you it's probably just going to be some open source models and maybe a couple of frontier models. And then each agent starts working on it, so we can just take a look. Here's a benchmark ticket, which was inferred from the pull request. And then here's Grok 4.6 working on that ticket. So we can see, we don't have to look at it, but we can see everything it did. And then when it was done, it sent a message. It even sent a screenshot because when the agent works, it's able to use anything on its computer, on its Cloud Sandbox computer, which for us includes the running version of the app. And then we take all this code and we run it through 3 different LLM judges with a grading rubric against the original pull request, and average all the scores out, we get this blended kind of quality score. So that's how it works. You can set it up for yourself. You can just go to superconductor.com/benchmark. And if you register through here, we'll be happy to cover the cost of a few agents for you to check it out on your code base. We're looking for strange code bases. So the stranger and more rare your code base, the better. Check it out.